Most AI tools feel like they're guessing. Sometimes they get it right, sometimes they give you a face with 5 teeth rows and a background that makes zero sense. So today, I wanted to try something different. A tool that claims to generate structured, reliable visuals every single time. It's called Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro and powered by the Gemini 3 Pro image model. And after testing it for a while, I can say this one feels more like a production engine than a toy. Let's walk through how it actually works. Open Higgsfield.ai and sign in. The platform drops you into a simple workspace, and from here, everything is one click away. Tap Nano Banana Pro and you'll see your main input box. You can write your own idea or generate a random one just to get started. Set your model, aspect ratio and resolution. Then hit generate. The output comes back crisp and balanced. No strange anatomy, no broken text, no chaotic shadows. And if you need extra polish, you can retouch, recolor or upscale everything to 4K instantly. But here's where things get interesting. Turning that image into a full video with the Animate tool. Let me show you a real example. Upload your references, then type your prompt. A cozy mountain lodge at dusk. Warm lights glowing from wooden windows. Snow gently falling outside. Smoke drifting from the chimney, and a calm, inviting mood throughout. Generate it. The AI builds the whole atmosphere for you. Clean lighting, natural shadows, expressive characters if included. If you want to shift a mood, tweak the temperature, adjust snow density, or move elements around. When it feels right, animate it. Pick your duration, choose the animation model, set resolution, and the image transforms into a flowing cinematic clip. Let's build another scene. Upload references again for continuity. Then write your new prompt. A futuristic train gliding through neon-lit tunnels, holographic signs reflecting on metallic walls, sparks of light trailing behind as the train accelerates. Bright colors, sharp angles, and a fast, energetic vibe. Select the model. Set your resolution. Choose how many images you want to generate. Hit Produce. Then refine the details with editing tools. If needed, upscale to 4K. Switch to animation, pick your motion style, and the system turns the still scene into a dynamic sequence with smooth light movement and camera flow. And if you want something even more hands-on, use Sketch to Video. Upload any drawing, even if it's rough. Choose your model. Pick a style like cinematic, anime, commercial, or dramatic noir. Set your aspect ratio and generate. The sketch becomes a moving scene, complete with shadows, highlights, and motion that follows your original shapes and layout. Whether it's a simple doodle or a detailed concept, the tool respects the structure and brings it to life. A few lines become a character running. A box becomes a building with depth. A circle becomes a glowing portal in motion. That's the full experience. Take any idea, any reference, any sketch, and turn it into a finished visual with movement and clarity. Nano Banana Pro isn't about randomness, it's about consistency, something creators actually need. If there's a style, workflow, or challenge you want me to test next, just drop it below. I'll try it out and make a full breakdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.